I'm Ed Evans, and it's a sorry day for me. Today is August 21, 2025, the year of infamy. What makes this year of infamy so terrible is that it's just terrible. From space.com. NASA Administrator Sean Duffy, he's a replacement. Sean Duffy says the agency will move aside from climate sciences to focus on exploring Moon and Mars. Wow. What happens to climate science? What happens to Earth? Who's going to study the Earth? Well, I have a new hat on, and it's not a NASA hat, sadly. It will be a Copernicus hat. Go to Copernicus for CO2 and methane measuring. That's where I'm at now. We still have Copernicus and we have the Japanese satellites. We still have climate science. You can't do away with the science that started with Joseph Fourier back in 1827. Enos Foote, John Tyndall, so forth. Anyway, the news. United States Space Agency has pioneered planetary science technologies as the world's leader in climate research for more than 40 years, but that may be about to change. It is changing. I think Elon Musk is going to be back in the good graces of the White House because he wants to go to Mars. Maybe he really doesn't want to go to Mars. It just might be a great place to pick up money for his space projects, other projects. Anyway, speaking on Fox Business on August 14th, Duffy said NASA's purpose is the exploration of space, not Earth's climate. Quoting, all the climate science and all the other priorities that the last administration had at NASA, he doesn't mention this, but many administrations before the last one. Anyway, we're going to move aside. Duffy told Fox Business host Maria Bartiromo, quoting, all the science that we do is going to be directed towards exploration, which is the mission of NASA. That's why we have NASA, is to explore, not to do all these earth sciences, he said. And I'm quoting here. The earth sciences is about science, and that's about solving problems. That's what science does. It solves problems. In any case, they don't want to solve problems on Earth. They don't want to tell us why the glaciers on Earth are melting, the ocean's rising, the ocean becoming warmer, thereby expanding a rising ocean. They don't want to tell us those things. Why is the ocean becoming more acidic? Well, they're not interested in the Earth. We're talking about crimes against humanity here, crimes against wild nature. I'm Ed Evans, and I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos because I'm pissed off. Good day.